Hello everyone. This is a project of a multiple linear regression model in which I have predicted the salary of an employee. Here I have imported the important libraries, uh, and after that I have loaded the data set using the pd.read excel method. Then using the head method, I have shown the top 5 rows from the data, and using the data.save which gives tuples, I have shown the number of rows and columns, and after that I have checked the null and duplicate values in the data, and as you can see there is no null values available and there is no duplicate value also. Using the data.info I have shown the summary of the data set, and about the number of null values, count, data type of all the data presents in different rows. And using the data.describe, I have shown the statistical summary about the number of data, about the mean CTC, mean previous job changes, every statistical summary about the data. After that, I have plotted the box plot uh, um, using the matplotlib between the previous CTC and CTC. Uh, After that, I have plotted the histogram and the pair plot using the seaborn of the all the data available. And this is a heat map in which we can see the correlations between the different datas. Here we can see that the previous CTC is somewhat related to the present CTC, which we are going to predict. And the different correlations are there. Here, the correlation between the same data set will be 1. After that, I have plotted this plot of a CTC. You can see here the bar plots. As data also have some categorical value, so we have to transform that data into a numerical value. This can be possible using sklearn library, and I have imported the label encoder module from the sklearn library, and here fitted the data and transform the data into a numerical value. Here you can see that the all the categorical values transform into a numerical value. Data type, here you can see data types. College, role and city types is converted into an integer. And here we have to split the data set into a x variable which is independent, with the help of which we are going to predict the dependent variable, that is CTC, using the ilog method. Here you can see the x consists of college, role, city data, city type, previous CTC, previous job, graduation marks, experiences, which we are going to use to train our data, train our model, linear model mainly. Here is the value which we are going to give, which is CTC. It is actual value. After that, we have to split the data into a train and test. X train, X test, Y train, Y test, both the independent variable and dependent variable. and we are using 30% test size, which is saying that we are using 30% for the test and 70% for the train. And we are importing the linear regression uh, model with the help of sklearn library. Here we have fitted the x trend and y trend data, and here the linear regression model is trained, and after that we can find the intercept value using the MLR dot intercept method, and here the coefficient of the uh, line which we have got after training the data set. Here you can see intercept is this, and coefficient of the independent variables of college, roles, city type, previous CTC, previous job. Is this all the this is all the coefficient you can see, and here we are going to predict the data set, predict the values which we have. We are going to use the 30% data set which we have uh, uh, split it for test. Here we are going to predict. Here you can see the prediction. Here you can see the actual value and predicted CTC. Here we are evaluating model using matrix module R squared value. Here you can see mean absolute error, mean square error, root mean square error, and after that we have plotted the graph between actual and predicted. Here you can see that the this is predicted values, and this all are the actual values. Here I have completed the project. Thank you everyone.